So here's how you can get your money back on Temu without actually returning the order, and it's actually quite easy and simple to do, but you want to make sure you follow this entire video so you don't miss out on any of the important steps. So what you want to do is actually go ahead and go into YouTube, and now once you are in YouTube, you want to go ahead and go into the search button and then simply type in SPCY, working Temu refund. Now this is actually a YouTuber that made a video on this, and he explained it super well, so you want to actually go ahead and watch this video right over here. Essentially the way he explains it is that if you order something that is under $10, you can go ahead and click on request a refund, and then you just tell them that you ordered it on accident, and once you submit the request, they're going to send that money back to whichever payment method you use to pay for it, and it's almost instantaneous refund, which is really awesome. So I recommend you go ahead and watch this video right over here. So then essentially if you do everything correctly, then you should be able to refund items on Temu and then basically get it completely for free.